And that, kids, is how to make a last-minute chemistry project. Thanks for tuning in to Science Weekly. And tune in next week to see me turn this fan on.
And cut.
Oh, thank God. Hey, can someone get me a tea? I need my tea.
It's over there on the stove.
Alright, I'll just help myself. There's no sugar. We're out of sugar. Do we have any sugar?
No, just some sugar substitute.
Substitute? Don't tell me it's Splenda. Because Splenda's made of sucralose. And no offense, Mitch, but sucralose ain't my cup of tea. What sweetener is it?
It is erythritol.
Erythritol?
No, erythritol.
Erythritol? Well, what exactly is it?
Funny you should ask. I actually have a DVD on it.
Let's put it in the computer and find out. Hi, I'm Mike Larkin, and I'm here today to talk about erythritol. This kid looks like a nerd. Now, you might have questions in your head like, is it safe? Can you eat it? Does it taste like sugar? And can I put it in my tea? Those questions answered and more in my video. If you're looking for a cool new low-calorie alternative to sugar, you've come to the right place. Erythritol is a carbohydrate polypol, or otherwise known as a wood alcohol. It was discovered in 1848 by British chemist John Stenhouse. Erythritol is made naturally by plants and is found in our body. It could be in melons, mushrooms, or even wines and cheeses.
It also occurs in grapes, pears, grasses, algae, and lichens. Erythritol is the first polypol to be industrial manufactured by fermentation process. Glucose, obtained by the enzymatic hydrolysis of a starch, is fermented by a yeast-like fungus to yield erythritol, which is then crystallized to a purity of more than 99.5%. Erythritol's nutritional properties are unique because it behaves differently from all other polypols because of the way it passes through the digestive system. It's rapidly and easily absorbed by the small intestine, and then mainly remains unchanged when excreted through the urine. It has a very low caloric value of only 0.2 kilocalories per gram, and it has a really high digestive tolerance, that exceeding of lactose. Erythritol also does not affect blood glucose or insulin levels, and is therefore suitable for diabetics. It is a white crystalline powder with a sweetness of 70% relative to sucrose, and a pleasant strong cooling effect because of the negative heat of solution, which is negative 43 calories per gram, which is more than any other polypol. Erythritol is considered a bulk sweetener, since it is less sweet than sucrose, but in some cases it masks bitter or metallic tastes, and can also add smoothness and body to liquid preparations. Erythritol can be granulated with vitamin C to produce coarser granules for improved flowability. The final granulates exhibiting significantly improved flowability when mixed with 30% vitamin C. The use of erythritol is spreading, but current uses for it right now are granulated powders, tablets, tablet coatings, lozenges, medicated chewing gum, syrups, and oral care products. Erythritol has also been shown to help relieve sore throat, cough, and nasal congestion. Erythritol is being used increasingly in oral care applications such as toothpaste and mouthwashes. One of its properties is the reduction of risk to develop dental caries, as shown in vitro studies. Erythritol is not fermented by bacteria appearing in the mouth flora, especially the Streptococcus mutinus strains. These strains are also responsible for the production of dental plaque and for stimulating dental caries. Erythritol also does not give rise to acidification below 5.7, which is the critical level of which the tooth starts to dematerialize. In lab studies, erythritol was used with toothpaste, and it showed that it increased the stability of the toothpaste while keeping the same viscosity. Although erythritol has no humescent properties, in combination with a real humescent in a toothpaste, such as glycerol, sorbitol, or propylene glycol, it provided an effect on the water retention properties that increased its ability to do so. Also, according to a study on oral hygiene compositions containing the bitter, cationic, antibacterial active chlorhexidine, erythritol is more effective in masking the bitterness of chlorhexidine than other sweeteners used in toothpastes. Erythritol also shows evidence of being an antioxidant, as shown in this video.
But new data suggests I may have to change my tune. Now it actually may be helpful. Adding to its role as a low-calorie, tooth-friendly bulk sweetener, erythritol may be a sweet antioxidant. This shows the dose-dependent protective effect of an increasing concentration of erythritol on the oxidative destruction of red blood cells. The reason they even looked for antioxidant activity is because it structurally looks like mannitol, a well-known antioxidant. The problem with mannitol and the other polyols, such as xylitol and sorbitol, is that they aren't absorbed, and so can cause gastrointestinal symptoms lower down in the colon. Safety studies suggest that erythritol, however, is well tolerated and shows no signs of toxicity. It is therefore an excellent sugar substitute.
I hope you now realize the benefits of erythritol, a substitute, low-calorie sweetener, and that's something I can put in my tea.